Hey everyone, Joe here at Legacy. Today I want to show you selectable drive modes. This is actually probably going to happen across our whole model lineup. Right now we've got it, we're going to show you it on the F-150. So we want to change how the vehicle responds in different road conditions. Ford's going to let us do that. I'm going to show you guys how. You'll notice down here, DM for drive mode. In previous year models it used to be, tow haul mode, etc. Well, we've got all that and more. So I'm going to show you when we select this. We're going to change the drive mode. So our normal drive mode, tow haul, that's going to disable our overdrive. Snow and wet is going to change how our rear differential engages. Eco Sport, that's just going to change the gear ratios and to make it a little bit more economical. And Sport mode is going to have a sportier shift. So when the gears shift, it's going to give it a lot sportier feel. Probably not as good on gas mileage, but again, all sorts of different driving conditions. Ford's got it all covered for you. So thanks for watching.